Hi guys, it's Rex here, and today we'll be unboxing this new controller by Hercules DJ, the DJ Control Impulse 500. Let's go! First off, we get a really nice cable. This is the USB cable which we get with it, and it's a really nice, not that plastic one that we get with other controllers. Next we get is the controller itself, and yeah, this user manual too. Let's get it out. Before we proceed with the video, I want to mention that this is not a complete walkthrough video. I'll be making that separately. Mention in the comments what you would like to see in that video. And yeah, while you are there, make sure to subscribe because I need that love. This controller is built really well. It feels so sturdy and durable with its metal faceplates and knobs. And trust me, I'm in love with these knobs. So they feel so nice, and they are way better than those plastic knobs that you get on other controllers. And it features this exclusive beat match guide, which we will talk about in a minute. This controller offers 5.5-inch touch sensitive jog wheels, which are bigger than most entry-level controllers, and I think beginner DJs would love to see that on this controller. And it has this really nice 16 RGB performance pads, which you don't get to see on any beginner DJ controller. And yeah, one thing to mention, this has a really nice click to it. And next up is this 2-channel mixer with 3-band EQ and a filter knob, which also acts as effect knob, with dedicated knobs for mic and auxiliary inputs. These knobs do light up to indicate the volume of the external inputs, so you can connect any external source like a phone or a laptop to the controller. This controller has a wide selection of input and output ports compared to any other beginner DJ controller. Unbalanced quarter-inch outputs and RCA outputs. Then we have a 1/4-inch mic input and 2 aux inputs, RCA and 1/8 inch, and a USB port to connect it to your laptop. And this amazing beat match guide feature, which helps you to beat match using these indicating lights, which tell you where to move your jog wheel or your tempo fader. I'll be telling you how to use it in my complete walkthrough video. And the most amazing feature about this controller are these retractable feet. It really gives a nice height to the controller, and it lights up below the controller, which looks really amazing. So there you have it, the DJ Control Impulse 500 by Hercules, priced at around $300 or £280. I'll be talking more about this controller in my complete walkthrough video, so stay tuned for that. My name is Rex, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!